Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to remove your Microsoft account from any device quickly. First, sign into your Microsoft account on a browser. This is the key to accessing your device settings. Next, navigate to Devices in the Settings menu to view all devices linked to your account. Select the device you wish to remove. Make sure it's the correct one before proceeding. Click on the option to remove the device. Confirm your action to finalize the removal. And that's it. Your device is now removed from your Microsoft account, enhancing your security. Remember to regularly check your device connections to ensure your account security. If you encounter issues, Microsoft support is always there to assist you. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and keep your devices in check. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video on protecting your privacy online. Until next time, take care.